Kenya has faced genuine threats from terrorism, leading to the creation of robust anti-terrorism laws. Yet, a troubling trend is emerging. These vital tools are increasingly being used not just against terror, but against political opposition and the nation's vibrant youth. This video explores how Kenya's anti-terrorism laws, particularly the Prevention of Terrorism Act of 2012, are being weaponized, raising grave concerns about justice, human rights, and the future of democratic space in the country. The delicate balance between national security and fundamental freedoms is being dangerously eroded, turning essential legal frameworks into instruments of political suppression. The core of the issue lies in the broad and ambiguous definitions within these laws. Terms like terrorist act, radicalization, or encouraging terrorism lack clear boundaries, leaving them open to wide interpretation. These laws grant extensive powers to law enforcement, including prolonged detention periods, enhanced surveillance capabilities, and special investigative techniques, which, when misused, can bypass standard due process. This legal ambiguity creates a profound chilling effect, where individuals censor themselves, fearing that their online comments, political speeches, or protest participation could be misconstrued as terror-related activities. From a justice perspective, the application of these laws often results in arbitrary arrests and selective prosecution. We've seen a pattern where opposition figures and youth activists face terror charges for actions that appear to be legitimate political expression. A common tactic is prolonged pre-trial detention. Individuals are held for extended periods without trial, a process that can be used to break their spirit, extract confessions, or simply remove them from the political arena, violating their right to a speedy trial. Despite the severity of the charges, many of these politically motivated terror cases struggle to secure convictions due to a fundamental lack of concrete evidence, leading to cases collapsing after immense personal cost to the accused. Most recently, following the widespread anti-finance bill protests, reports emerged in July 2025 of dozens of youth and opposition allies being arraigned at Kahawa law courts on terror-related charges, signaling a deliberate strategy to curb dissent. The societal impact is profound. The perception that engaging in legitimate political discourse or protest could lead to terror charges creates a chilling effect on civic space, stifling public debate and weakening democratic participation. Kenyan youth, increasingly active and vocal online and in the streets, are particular targets. This strategy aims to instill fear and deter their participation, effectively marginalizing a crucial demographic for change. When laws designed to protect national security are instead seen as tools of political oppression, public trust in law enforcement, the judiciary, and the government itself crumbles, fostering deep resentment. This pattern of misusing severe charges risks normalizing state repression, making it easier for future administrations to curtail fundamental freedoms without significant public outcry or resistance. From a human rights perspective, this is a direct assault on constitutional guarantees. Freedoms of expression, assembly, and association are actively suppressed when political activities are relabeled as terrorism. Arbitrary arrests, prolonged detentions, and the denial of fair trial rights undermine the very essence of justice. The enhanced surveillance powers also raise serious privacy concerns, further eroding individual liberties. Despite the challenges, civil society organizations, legal experts, and human rights advocates continue to push back, challenging these laws in court and documenting abuses to hold the state accountable. For Kenya to truly secure its democratic future, its counter-terrorism efforts must be precise, proportionate, and strictly adhere to human rights standards. The integrity of its democratic institutions depends on this vital balance. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it insightful, please like and subscribe to support our growth and keep up to date with our latest content. Join our community by sharing your thoughts in the comments. Together, we can encourage meaningful discussions and promote positive change. See you in the next video.